channel Master Yourself. Today's topic is List of Lakes in India. I have already created a video on this topic and covered few lakes. If you have not watched that video, then please watch it as well. I have mentioned the link of that video in the description box. So let's get started. List of lakes in Haryana. Badkhal Lake. Badkhal Lake was a natural lake situated in Badkhal village near Faridabad in the Indian state of Haryana, about 32 kilometers from the national capital of Delhi. Fringed by the hills of the Aravalli range, this was a man-made embankment. Owing to unchecked mining in neighboring areas, the lake began drying up 2 decades back and is now totally dried up. There are functional Haryana Tourism Corporation restaurants in the vicinity. A flower show is held every spring here. Its name is most probably derived from the Persian word bedakhal, which means free from interference. Historical places around the lake include the 10th century ancient Surajkund Reservoir and Anangpur Dam. The similarly dried up Damdama Lake, Adilabad ruins and the Chhatarpur Temple. There are several dozen lakes formed in the abandoned open pit mines in and around the sanctuary. It is contiguous to the seasonal waterfalls in the villages of Faridabad. Bluebird Lake. Bluebird Lake, Hisar is a resident and endangered migratory bird wetland habitat. Lake and recreation area in the town of Hisar in the Hisar district of Haryana state, India. Among approximately 1800 migratory bird species out of total 10,000 species of birds in the world, nearly 370 species migrate to India due to seasonal changes, including 175 long-distance migration species that use the Central Asian flyway route. And among those, some of these migratory birds species have been sighted nesting here during the winter, many of which are endangered species. The lake is also leased out for the commercial fisheries by Fisheries Department of Government of Haryana. The lake and surrounding wetland and parks are spread across 52 acres. The lake itself is 20 acres and has small islands where migratory birds and other flora and fauna live and nest. There are boats available for hire, along with safety gear such as life-saving flotation, jackets and devices. The lake has floating pontoon, platforms for visitors and boaters, and guards for sitting and relaxing. Recreational fishing is permitted with payment of a licensing fee. Karna Lake. Karna Lake is a major tourist attraction in the Karnal district of Haryana. It is located at a distance of 125 kilometers from both Chandigarh and Delhi, thus serving as a midway halt while traveling between the two cities on the famous Grand Trunk Road. It is surmised that the city of Karnal derives its name from Karnatal, which translates to Karna Lake. That may also be the reason for Karnal to be called the city of Karna in local parlance. List of lakes in Jammu and Kashmir. Dal Lake. Dal is a lake in Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, India. It is an urban lake which is the second largest in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named the Lake of Flowers, Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir, or Srinagar's Jewel. The lake is also an important source for commercial operations in fishing and water plant harvesting. At present, the Dal and its Mughal gardens, Shalimar Bagh and the Nishat Bagh on its periphery are undergoing intensive restoration measures to fully address the serious eutrophication problems experienced by the lake. Its maximum length is 7.44 kilometers, maximum width is 3.5 kilometers, average depth is 1.42 meters, and maximum depth is 6 meters. Sheshnag Lake. Sheshnag Lake is an alpine high altitude lake situated at the track leading to Amarnath Cave 23 kilometers from Pahalgam in Anantnag district of Kashmir Valley in the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir at an elevation of 3,590 meters. It has a maximum length of 1.1 kilometers and maximum width of 0.7 kilometers. In ancient times, cloud bursts at the site caused a deep groove lined by mountains. Those mountains are covered with snow and ice sheets which melt slowly so that water flows into the deep groove and forms a lake. It was named Sheshnag because in Kashmiri, Shesh means mirror and Nag means lake, that is, the mirror lake, as its water is crystal clear and it acts as a mirror. Sheshnag Lake is home to many types of fishes. It freezes during winter and is inaccessible during this season due to heavy snowfall. It is surrounded by green lush meadows and mountains covered by snow. Sheshnag Lake is one of the famous tourist destinations in Kashmir Valley. It is mostly fed by melting of snow and streams coming down from mountain tops. It drains out through a stream that joins Lidar River at Pahalgam. Its maximum length is 1.1 kilometers, maximum width is 0.7 kilometers, frozen December to March. List of lakes in Bangalore. Agara Lake. Agara Lake is a 98-acre natural lake located in Agara, Bangalore. It is one of the most well-maintained lakes of Bangalore. At one end is a park and a jogging trail encircles the lake. It was in full capacity in August 2017. About 40 species of water birds like pelicans and reptiles such as rat snakes are found. Various events also take place. It dates back to the 8th century. The lake is filled by the water of Madiwala Lake. Surplus water is drained to the Balandur Lake. The most famous attraction of Agara Lake is the Children Rooster Globe, which also has been cleaned. More than 230 plants have been planted at the lake's islands. Bellandur Lake. Bellandur Lake is a lake in the suburb of Bellandur in the southeast of the city of Bengaluru and is the largest lake in the city. It was used for landing aircraft during British rule. It is a part of Bellandur drainage system that drains the southern and the southeastern parts of the city. It is currently highly polluted with sewage, and in May 2015, the foam covering the water surface caught fire and burned for hours, making international headlines. The lake has since caught fire multiple times, including in January 2018 and March 2021. The Bellandur Lake was a prominent catchment area with a good green cover and was a watering hole for the region's numerous indigenous wildlife. But 30 years of unplanned urbanization have taken a toll on the lake. Now, several species are gone from the area, including kingfishers, wood pigeons, kites, cobras, monitor lizards, etc. As more and more large apartment complexes come up on the lake's shores, more such species will disappear. Its maximum length is 3.6 kilometers, maximum width is 1.4 kilometer, average depth is 9.21 meters, frozen never. Hebbal Lake. Hebbal Lake is located in the north of Bangalore at the mouth of National Highway 7. It was one of the three lakes created in 1537 by Kempegowda. Like most lakes or tanks in the Bangalore region, it was formed by the damming natural valley systems by the construction of bunds. The spread of the lake in a study in 2000 was found to be 75 hectares with plans for extending it to make up 143 hectares. The habitat is favored by many species of water birds, including large water birds. The shallow zone supports sandpipers and other waders as well as purple moorhens. List of lakes in Kerala. Vembanad Lake. Vembanad is the longest lake in India as well as the largest lake in the state of Kerala with an area of 2033 square kilometers. It is the second largest Ramsar site in India only after the Sundarbans in West Bengal. Spanning several districts in the state of Kerala, it is known as Vembanad Lake in Kottayam, Vaikom, Kochi Lake in Kochi, etc. Several groups of small islands, including Vaipin, Willingdon Island, are located in the Kochi Lake portion. It is at the heart of Kerala backwaters tourism with numerous resorts on its banks. The lake has become a major tourist attraction. A generally safe destination, this place had just one incident of tourist harassment in 2004 as reported in the Times of India. Its maximum length is 96.5 kilometers, maximum width is 14 kilometers, maximum depth is 12 meters. Ashtamudi Lake. Ashtamudi Lake in the Kollam district of the Indian state of Kerala is the most visited backwater and the lake in the state. It possesses a unique wetland ecosystem and a large palm-shaped water body. second only in the size to the Vembanad ecosystem of the state. Ashtamudi means 8 braids. Ashta means 8, Mudi means hair braids in the local Malayalam language. The name is indicative of the lake's topography with its multiple branches. The lake is also called the gateway to the backwaters of Kerala and is well known for its houseboat and backwater resorts. The lake supports 57 species of avifauna, of which 6 are migratory and 51 resident species. It is also reported that about 40 species of wetland dependent birds are recorded in the lake, out of which 45% are long distance migrants. Sastamkota Lake. Sastamkota Lake, also categorized as a wetland, is the largest freshwater lake in Kerala, a state of India on the south of the west coast. The lake is named after the ancient Sasta temple is located on its bank. The purity of the lake water for drinking use is attributed to the presence of large population of larvae that consumes bacteria in the lake water. The lake is a designated wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention since November 2002. Conservation and management. The Kerala state government prepared a conservation and management action plan, that is MAP, in 1999 for the lake sustainable utilization and conservation and to address the threats faced by the lake. Financial support was sought from the central government under the National Lake Conservation Plan, that is NLCP, for implementation of MAP based on the specific problems identified in the wetland. The map envisages the following activities: agroforestry in the catchment, sanitation and drainage, weed control, conservation of flora and fauna, fishery development, and awareness campaigns among the local inhabitants. List of lakes in Madhya Pradesh. Upper Lake. Bhojtal, formerly known as Upper Lake, is a large lake which lies on the western side of the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, India. It is a major source of drinking water for the residents of the city, serving around 40% of the residents with nearly 30 million imperial gallons of water per day. Bhojtal is said to have been built by the Raja Bhoj during his tenure as a king. He is also said to have established the city of Bhopal to secure the eastern frontier of his kingdom. There is a legend why they built the lake. Once King Bhoj suffered from skin disease and all Vaidyas failed to cure him. Then one day a saint told the king to build a tank to combine 365 tributaries and then have a bath into it, wipe out the skin disease. Bhoj called upon his engineers to build up a huge tank. They spotted a place near river Betwa, which was 32 kilometers away from Bhopal. It was found that it has only 359 tributaries. He then gave the address of an invisible river. After merging the tributaries of this river, the number 365 was completed. Bhoj is situated on the west central part of Bhopal city and is surrounded by Van Vihar National Park on the south. Human settlements on the east and north, and agriculture fields on the west. It has an area of 31 square kilometers and drains a catchment of watershed of 361 square kilometers. The watershed of the upper lake is mostly rural, with some urbanized areas around its eastern end. Lower Lake. The Lower Lake or Chota Talab is a lake in Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, state of India. Along with the upper lake, it forms the Bhoj wetland. The lake was built by creating in 1794 to beautify the city. The construction was commissioned by Chote Khan, a minister of Nawab Hayat Muhammad Khan Bahadur. A number of earlier wells were merged in this lake. The lower lake is beside a bridge named Pul Pukhta. The lower lake is located to the east of the upper lake. An eastern dam separates the two lakes. The two lakes are built in a terraced manner. The lowest level of the upper lake is just below the highest level of the lower lake. The lower lake has an area of 1.29 and its catchment area is 9.6 square kilometers. The lake receives subsurface seepage from the upper lake. In the 1850s, the maximum and minimum depths of the lake were 11.7 meters and 6.16 meters respectively. As of 2011, the maximum depth was 10.7 meters. The lower lake does not have any freshwater source. List of lakes in Odisha. Anshupa Lake. The 141 hectare Anshupa Lake is a horseshoe-shaped freshwater lake on the left bank of the Mahanadi River, opposite Banki in Cuttack district, Odisha, India. Anshupa Lake is 40 kilometers from the city of Cuttack, which also acts as shelter for the migratory birds in the wintry weather season. It is a freshwater lake situated amidst the Saranda hills and enclosed by bamboo tree greenery and mango trees. To visitors' delight, there is boating and fishing facilities in the Anshupa Lake. This small but extremely picturesque Anshupa Lake holds a prominent position in the tourist map of Odisha for its beauty, proximity. This eye-catching tourist attraction is about 40 kilometers from Cuttack. The government of Odisha has taken a giant step to make this lake as one of the Odisha's most popular tourist place. Chilika Lake. Located at the mouth of Daya River, Chilika Lake is the largest and one of the most popular lakes in Odisha, and there is no doubt about it. Spread over Puri, Ganjam and Khurda districts, Chilika Lake is a stunning coastal lagoon and the largest saltwater lake in India and the second largest in the world. Surrounded by lush green forests on all sides, Chilika Lake welcomes tourists for birdwatching, picnics, boating, and fishing. It is counted as one of the major tourist places for sightseeing. November to March is the perfect time to visit Chilika Lake as plenty of migratory birds fly down here from Siberia. Chilika Lake is a brackish water lagoon spread over the Puri, Khurda and Ganjam districts of Odisha state on the east coast of India at the mouth of the Daya River, flowing into the Bay of Bengal, covering an area of over 1100 square kilometers. It has been listed as a tentative UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is largest wintering ground for migratory birds on the Indian subcontinent. The lake is home to a number of threatened species of plants and animals. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also, please comment down below the topics you want me to cover in my next video.